Dreams. They are the threads that weave the tapestry of our lives. But what if there was someone who could weave dreams into reality? Today, I bring you the tale of the Weaver of Dreams, a story of hope, perseverance, and the magic of believing in the impossible. Long ago, in a village surrounded by rolling hills and endless skies, there lived a young weaver named Lila. Lila was no ordinary weaver. Her hands could create the most beautiful fabrics, but her heart held a secret gift. She could weave dreams into her cloth. People from far and wide came to Lila, hoping she could weave their dreams into reality. A farmer wished for rain, a mother wished for her child's health, and a young artist wished for inspiration. Lila wove their dreams into her cloth, and miraculously, their wishes came true. One evening, a traveler arrived in the village. His name was Rohan, and he had lost all hope. His village had been struck by a terrible drought, and no matter what he tried, he couldn't save his people. Rohan had heard of Lila's gift and begged her to help. "Weaver of dreams," he said, "my people are suffering. Can you weave a dream of rain for us?" Lila's heart ached for Rohan, but she knew this would be her greatest challenge yet. "To weave a dream so vast," she said, "I will need more than thread and loom. I will need your faith and the strength of your heart." Lila began to weave, pouring her soul into every stitch. She wove the colors of the sky, the whispers of the wind, and the hope of 1,000 prayers. But as she worked, she grew weaker, for weaving such a powerful dream came at a great cost. Rohan watched in awe as the fabric shimmered with life, but he also saw the toll it took on Lila. "You must stop," he said. "I cannot ask you to sacrifice yourself for us. A dream is only as strong as the heart that believes in it." "If you believe, Rohan, then so do I." With the final stitch, the fabric burst into 1,000 glowing threads that soared into the sky. The villagers watched in wonder as dark clouds gathered and rain began to fall for the first time in years. Rohan returned to Lila's village, his heart overflowing with gratitude. But when he arrived, he found her loom empty and her cottage silent. Lila was gone, but her legacy remained. Lila had become a part of the dream she had woven. Her sacrifice reminded everyone that dreams are not just wishes, they are born from courage, selflessness, and the belief that even the impossible can come true. And so, the Weaver of Dreams became a legend, a reminder that every dream we chase is a thread in the tapestry of life. What dream will you weave? Like, share, and subscribe for more timeless tales and life lessons. What dream would you ask Lila to weave for you? Let us know in the comments below.